Hi everyone! Today we will troubleshoot Duplex print disable problem in Konica Minlota printers. Here you can see in Microsoft Word I want to print a Duplex. But here you can see only print one-sided option is there, and Duplex option is manual only, not automatic. But most Konica printers supports Duplex print. My printer is Konica Minlota 205i. In printer properties also double side option disabled. So let's troubleshoot this. Close all windows and in search bar type control panel. In control panel go to view devices and printers. Now you can see here our printer Konica 205i. Now right click on it and select printer properties. Here top end you can see device options. Select it. Now in device options you can see Duplex. It's not installed. Just double click on it. Now it's installed. Same way if you use other trays, just make them installed. Otherwise leave as it is. Now apply. OK. Let's see now Duplex working or not. Now see here print on both side option enabled. Here also it's enabled. Now you can print Duplex without any problem. Thank you for watching this video. If this helped, please like and subscribe.